How to fix login error in Move application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem while logging into your account, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Move application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of login errors. However, if you do face any kinds of problems after this, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.